The AI revolution. Are you in or out? Listen up. Entrepreneurs and business leaders, the world is changing fast. AI is disrupting everything. Some businesses get it. They're using AI chatbots to win big. Others, they're stuck in the past. Guess who's falling behind? Imagine this. A customer lands on your website at 2 a.m. They have a question. Do they wait until morning for your team to answer? No way. With a chatbot, they get instant answers. That's the power of AI. Businesses using AI chatbots are killing it. They're available 24/7, providing instant support. Customers love it. Sales are skyrocketing. It's time to step up your game. The future is here. Let's talk about why AI chatbots are game changers. First off, instant response. Nobody wants to wait. Chatbots answer questions immediately. Customers are happy. You win. Second, lead capture. Chatbots collect valuable information from potential customers. Name, email, what they're interested in. This data is gold. Use it to close deals. Third, appointment booking. No more back and forth emails or phone calls. Chatbots schedule appointments seamlessly. It's convenient for everyone. More bookings, more revenue. Finally, customer satisfaction. Chatbots provide quick, helpful answers. They personalize the experience. This builds loyalty. Happy customers become repeat buyers. It's a no-brainer. Don't just take my word for it. Check out these real-world examples. In e-commerce, chatbots are recommending products, boosting sales. Imagine a chatbot that knows your style better than you do. In healthcare, chatbots are scheduling appointments, answering FAQs. This frees up staff to focus on critical tasks. Patients get faster service. It's a win-win. Financial institutions are using chatbots to provide personalized financial advice. Need help with budgeting or investing? Ask the chatbot. It's like having a personal finance guru on demand. These are just a few examples. The possibilities are endless. From restaurants to real estate, chatbots are transforming industries. Don't be left behind. Your roadmap to chatbot success. Ready to jump on the chatbot bandwagon? Here's your roadmap to success. First, identify your goals. What do you want your chatbot to achieve? Lead generation, customer support. Be clear. Next, choose the right platform. There are many chatbot platforms available. Do your research. Find one that meets your needs and budget. Don't overcomplicate it. Now design the conversation flow. This is crucial. Your chatbot should sound human and provide helpful information. Keep it conversational. Nobody likes a robot. Finally, integrate your chatbot into your website or app. Test it thoroughly. Make sure it's working smoothly. Once you're happy, launch it. Get ready to watch your business grow. Don't get left behind. The future is now. The AI revolution is here. Chatbots are no longer a luxury, they're a necessity. If you're not using them, you're falling behind. Your competitors are already ahead of the game. Don't wait. Embrace the power of AI chatbots today. Provide instant support. Capture leads. Boost sales. Make your customers happy. The future is in your hands. The time for excuses is over. The time for action is now. Get started with chatbots today. You won't regret it.